Yeah, hi, this is Rob from Training Centre Direct. Lift mates is the topic for today. What does a lift mate do? How much do they earn? What's the career path, etc. Lift industry needs lift mates. They're effectively like a builder's labourer. They don't need any training or qualifications. But they will need to get a basic qualification. Actually, it's called an EOR 202, which is not that difficult to get. But you're effectively assisting in the repair and installation of lifts. If you want to take it further, you can become an engineer, but you'd usually have to work for the lift company for quite some time before they put you on the course. But it's how most people start, actually, and it's a good place to start. So if that sounds good and I can help you with that, please give me a call, drop me a direct message. Bye for now.